Hey there! Welcome to our channel The Next Road. This video for a detailed look at the Bell Men's Star Vortex RS-1 and Revolver Helmet Face Shield by Bell. It comes in one size and medium, with color options including light silver iridium, light gold iridium, light blue iridium, high definition yellow, dark silver iridium, dark gold iridium, light smoke, dark smoke, clear, and dark blue iridium. This shield operates at 12 volts and has a universal fit. Bell quick release shields are specifically designed for use with Bell Qualifier, Star, older model, Vortex, RS-1 and Revolver helmets. They offer durability and protection against fogging, scratching, and UV rays. Plus, you can easily adjust the shield with one finger toggling between lock mode, friction mode, and crack mode. It's great to see American innovation at work with a line of helmets that all use one face shield. No more confusing nomenclature when ordering a new shield for your favorite helmet. More info please check out in description. Thanks for watching.